Let's talk about notifications on the Tapo C220, how you can enable notification, how you can check if notification is working, okay? So the Tapo C220 can detect motion, can also detect vehicles or person in front of the camera. And based on that, you can have notifications, okay? So here you see that I have my camera working with the Tapo app. And then I also have the tag on, so I can check if the motion is working here in front of the camera, right? It's a pan and tilt camera. You can control the camera, so you can move to different directions from here. And then when the camera is static here and looking at some specific direction, the camera can detect motion, right? And then it triggers the a notification, okay? So if you come here to the settings, you see that I got a notification from motion detection, okay? And that's the time. Again, when you come here to the settings, you just go down and from here you can enable the notification. You see that's on. Okay, so it's important to understand that you need to enable the notification here and select the activity type. There are 10 activity types. So when I get it here, you see that I can enable any one of them. And then they start working. But just pay attention to this. So see that I have here baby cry detection, glass break detection, line crossing, path detection. The activity type it's enabled here for the to trigger the notification, but you just need to make sure that here on the menu for the detection, it's enabled as well. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. You have to be the area be monitored here, and then check the detection type. You have here motion, person, pet. You see here pet detection, it's off. So if a pet is in front of the camera is not going to detect, so there's no notification, all right? Even if I go to the menu there on the notification and the menu is there saying that's enabled, right? Let me just, not alarm, let's come back here to notification. There we go. You see here activity type, pet is enabled here, but it's not gonna work. I don't need even it enabled here on the activity type, okay? Then you can also check the schedule because here I'm using always. Let's say, for example, your schedule is different. If you're using like during the night, it's going to work only from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So during the day, it's not gonna work. If you want to work during the day, you just need to come here and enable during the day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or with a custom time. Then you can select here the weekday if you want to repeat the notification and also the time. All right, I'm gonna put here in always and just save. So just make sure that enable here what you want, and then you come here to the schedule, put always, then you can test, and later you can adjust, right? And there's also reach notification if you want to receive also the snapshots. And something else here is that you just need to make sure that's enabled here, okay? So I'm getting a lot of notifications here. So back here to the camera, the main menu, you see that I have the motion enabled here. See that's working when I look at the screen because I have the tagged enabled so I can see that's working. And I also see the recordings here, see the detected events. So I see a person here and also see a car. That's basically person detection and also car detection, vehicle detection, right? So I know that's working. It's recording and I can receive notifications. And something important as well, if everything here is good but still not working on your iPhone, you just need to come here to the main settings and look for the app. So just go all the way down in here on apps. You're gonna look for Tapo. You can either tap here to look for it, or you can just go all the way down and a little bit up. We're gonna find here Tapo. And here, see the notifications menu. You just tap on it, and here you can allow notification. Then you can select the way you're gonna receive notifications with the locked screen or notification center, some banners, whatever you want to enable here. Usually I just leave like this with everything enabled, and I just enable here on the top. Then you're good to go. It's going to work. And something else you just need to check as well is just here on the focus. You can also have the do not disturb mode, right? If I just enable the do not disturb mode, I'm not gonna get any notifications. I will get it, but I will not see it. Basically, that's what you have to check and test. So I hope that helps. And now you know how to enable the notification on a Tapo C220. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.